We're lost like a rat in a maze, looking for the Pura Dalem Tunon for tonight's Barong Fest. I'm sure the Bintang Bali used to be here. Masuk mai, ken. Masuk, come on. This thing ada tamu Jenang. Here we are, the beautiful Ramada Bintang Bali, looking for we've been told to go in here to look for the Pura Dalem Tunon. We've missed the Barong coming along the beach. My friend Wayan Lingard Putra has invited me. Swastiastu! So I've talked my way through the hotel, got dropped off in front of the late Yorpave's old villa. I seem to be being directed 200 metres down the beach to find the Pura Dalem, but it's all happening here. The wharf, it's called. The only place in the whole of Bali there isn't a wharf. Ah, thank God, there's a temple bell. I found a sign of life. Oh. Suddenly, it's a temple forecourt, which only earlier was a alley of creepy art shops. Oh, I see a lovely opening. It's like walking into a new and camp painting. The Warongs are happening. What about the Kuta people? They keep all the consumption happening. Total surprise. It's the most gorgeous white gate. Unrestored. A few thousand people. The Barong's ready. Okay, you can start now. What a beautiful setting. It's like the Pura Dalem Sidakaria. Lovely grass patch. Big gamelons here. This is all real time. I can see some beautiful things happening in this temple, apart from all the Rangda masks. Perfect timing. I found the telek. Istri telek. Okay. Sira ngomong pura niki?
Ya.
Bapak? Sakin apa?
Niki.
Niki. Nge. Nagong tan.
Ya.
Good gamelan. Sweet the way the boys are picking up their masks and the holy mat. The feet of the Padmasana. What a gorgeous lamak. Gorgeous long lamak and almost a full moon. All the Kuta Barongs are here. It's the Teleg music. We'll run out to the front. Oh, look at that, gorgeous. Langit, Majapahit, red and black, the gold. Beautiful girls in the new shorty kabaya. Almost missed them. There you go. Call me old-fashioned, but I prefer an all-male Teleg. Sadak dalam ped dengan BBM gitu ya.
Non BBM.
Ini sama BBM, betara.
Non BBM.
Gusti Allah. Making his way out. What a gorgeous Raja. What are they called? Amazing Raja. Wow, Ranga's starting. Go back and get my holy water. Sadig, including amazing dwarf Sadig. They're now praying they'll be going with the Barong later, and they'll be doing the trance dance, showing off the strength of the Barong. So the Jouks have come out now. Fabulous furry freak brothers. Just chatting to the head Rangda dancer. The gombrang, gombrang, gombrang. Love the way they play to the audience. The poor old Telex has just been fanning away for half an hour back there. Look, the crazies. The crazies are here. Crazies. Bonjour. Great little dancer. It's like the others just don't exist and don't know how to dance. This kid's brilliant. He's the great dancer. Okay, they're off. The girls are off into trance. The Barong is out. Evil witch, assistant of Rangda. Getting bowled over by the Rangda, but all the things have arrived. So the Rangs are out. Poor young schoolgirls being dragged out there. Teletnica, eh? Poor Telex being dragged out to Sundance. Apa lima ini? Susuknya nak? Oh, the Chris bearer. More jewels than Elizabeth Taylor at a second wedding. Chris Balance corner. starting blocks. Jesus. The heavy duty dancers have just gone in. Whoa, the big boys. What a brilliant production. Just fabulous. Look at these beautiful girls. Oh, the hair. The hair goes in. These guys are great. Right, the knives are out. Women getting kicked out. Wild women of Kuta. Something happened. Rangda's sort of ran back. Rangda's put away before it gets too hairy. Whoops, I'm in the way of the barrel here. Sorry. The screams are coming from the Sandar dancers inside the temple. And all the Punaya are all screaming Naya and they're having drinks of the holy water. Kissing the Barong's beard. Special gamelan now for the Punaya. The Chris dancers. What a fabulous performance for the Dalem Tunon Barong. It's a very special occasion. It's having its hair changed once every generation. Very special Chris dance. No one doesn't like Kuta. Barong eye view. The ritual seems to be you ask of the holy water and then you get a face load of the pasaman, the special smoking coconut. And you go to the Barong, pay homage to the Barong, grab the Chris dance, try to self-mutilate. Always got a bit of smoke. So the Chris dancers come in and have some words to their Barong. Fläsningen angegeben, ne? So the prince, custodian of the temple, looks after the Ngaya. Because really they're doing it for his deified ancestor, part of the Deva Raj ritual. Big boy. Okay, the girls are off again. Right, back to the outside courtyard. No end to the excitement. Barong is getting it every which way. Look at this beautiful line of priests with the holy waters here. Isn't that gorgeous? Let's push to the front. Barong eye view. The Barong eye view. They're waiting to do it. They always have something to say to the monk, which is unusual. Selalu ada nunasa wayang. Misi nunasa. Oh, seni ya. Bah. Lah beraya. Lah beraya. What a brilliant show. Whoop. It's got a bit of arak there. Banget di arak nah. Flat boy. Of course, in Bali, the best looker has the last act. beautiful end. Oh, this guy is doing it now.